Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Cadillac Escalade Forza Horizon 4. Start by checking the auto show for any current listings and price drops, then inspect seasonal championships and festival playlist rewards for specific unlocks. Complete targeted PR stunts and challenges to raise influence and access timed rewards. Save super wheel spins for high-value events and monitor in-game store rotations to catch limited offers or discounts when they appear. Begin by filtering the auto show to American manufacturers and then inspect available trims and prices carefully. Target festival playlist challenges that specifically mention the Escalade or similar SUV class cars to earn it as a reward. Allocate credits and super wheel spins strategically, avoiding impulse purchases, and monitor weekly rotations for discounts, bundle deals, or showroom price changes that lower the cost to get the car you want without overspending. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more Forza Horizon tips and guides. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is compact, easy on the eyes, and perfect for downtime between races or upgrades. It makes long gaming sessions more comfortable and keeps manuals and walkthroughs handy. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on PR stunts, barn finds, and enrichment activities to build influence quickly and unlock higher-tier festival playlist rewards. Check the auction house often to pick up rare trims or discounted Escalade listings from other players. Share and download blueprints to replicate optimized builds and liveries, and join community sessions to trade tips or cars, which can save credits and help you obtain the exact Escalade variant you prefer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.